Hi, I'm Phillip Bocox. Let me borrow 3 minutes of your time to show you something brand new from Ledwell & Son. Every day we receive new trucks for our product lines. They usually arrive stacked behind a transport vehicle in the traditional way. Before we can do anything, they must be unstacked. For a long time, this has created a big headache for us. It took a great deal of time. Extra equipment was required, equipment that should have been in use at other locations in our complex. And frankly, unstacking trucks is a time-consuming, unhandy proposition. It can damage the equipment used in the process, but more importantly, it can cause serious injury to humans when a mistake is made. At Ledwell & Son, we're innovators. We had to find a faster, safer, and better way to unstack these daily shipments. Our engineers went to work and developed one of the handiest pieces of equipment you've ever seen to deal with this problem. We call it the Ledwell truck lift. Here's how it works. A driver positions a stacked truck over the lift. With a handheld remote control, the lift operator positions hydraulically powered lifting forks beneath the front tires of the stacked truck. Hydraulic cylinders raise the truck off the towing vehicle. Towing connections are disconnected. The tow vehicle then moves out from under the load and the truck is gently lowered to the ground. It all happens in a matter of minutes. It's safe, easy. Everything is under total control at all times, and no other equipment is required. Stacking trucks is equally easy. The Ledwell truck lift has been a tremendous time and labor saver for us. We use it nearly every day. We have unstacked or stacked thousands of trucks. Cranes and forklifts are expensive and not designed for this type of operation. Time and safety are priceless. If your company has to deal with the chore of unstacking or stacking trucks from or on a tow vehicle, I invite you to try a better way, a safer way, a quicker way. Call us today. Ask about the Ledwell truck lift, a new product from Ledwell & Son. Thank you very much.